Hello, welcome to the ODFL QR Code iTunes walkthrough. What we're going to do is walk you through each screen of the ODFL QR Code and give you a brief introduction on how to use it. As you can see, I've already got it here on my screen. I've downloaded it from the iTunes App Store. Also, this is just a quick web page. If you want to take note, scanner.com ODFL has links to all three, the iPhone, Android, and BlackBerry App Store. For this particular case, of course, we're using iPhone. Alright, so let's just open this app up, and this is the first screen you would get. If you haven't signed up for the account, then you're going to have to do that first. This white sign up button. What it's going to ask you for is several fields of information, all of which is secure, but the point of that is that you'll be entered in a drawing every day for various prizes. So I've already signed up just for this demo purpose, and so since I have an account, I'm going to go ahead and log in. I'm going to enter my email ID. Pretty impressive, huh? AB. Now here's the most important part to the screen that most people seem to miss, and that's this remember me tick box. You want to tick that, because if you don't, every time you exit the app, it'll make you log in and sign again. But if you tick it, it'll keep you logged into the actual app. So here we're brought to the app interface home screen, and this is where all the action happens, as they say. But it's actually really simple. There's not really too much to this. The app is very powerful in that it allows you to build lists and keep information on your phone, but at the end of the day, when you look at it, it's simply a list builder. You'll notice there's a couple things first that I want to point out on this, and that's just the profile page. That allows you to go in and change your password, change your address, etc. if you need to. Secondly is the help button. If you need to know any of the features about how to use the app, go to that section, comprehensive help section. So what we really want to do is, what I first want to do is explain the concept of the app, because there's three lists. There's a history list, there's a wish list, and an inquiry list. And this can be kind of confusing, but the basic concept of this is, if you're at a busy show, you can what you want to do is walk through and just scan products, get products scanned as fast as you can, and then go back through those products, filter those that you may want to take a second look at, add those to the wish list, and then at the end of the day, when you're back in your hotel room or whatever, then you'll actually go through your wish list and filter that to the inquiry list. And we'll show you exactly how that works right now. So, basically what we have is a scan button and a scan button. They're both exactly the same. It's your choice. So what we want to do is we walk into the booth, we say, okay, that's an interesting product, interesting code, I like the way that looks, let me see what's behind it. So you hit the scan the code button. You'll see this interesting screen pop up, and I just have to have some codes here. And you'll notice how quick and automatic that was. So that's an ODFL technology code. So that's one code. Okay, let's scan the next code. We'll go down to the menu bar that's at the bottom. Pops that up again. We'll go to code number 2. It reads code number 2. Code number 2 is ODFL Global. And so we have this nice page here. And so let's go back and read another code. Code number 3 Alright. So, as you can see, we just read 3 codes in a very short period of time. We didn't have to press any buttons to take the picture. It just automatically read them. And this is a video code. So, this is actually play a YouTube video, which is kind of cool. So, we won't play that whole video, but I just wanted to show. And these are the back buttons at the top. So now we've read 3 codes. We have 3 codes in the system on the phone. Now, those codes are going to be in the history list. Now let's just say you've gone through and you are now, let's just say you've read 50 codes, 100 codes. You can imagine this list is going to be really long. So what you want to do is filter this list so that you can clean out your history list and start over. So let's just say, I don't know, you want the video, so what we want to do is add the video to the wish list. So what we're going to use is this action button, and we're going to add that to the wish list. That product has now been added to the wish list. We can go back, and let's just say we want to keep OD promises. So we open up that page again. We like that page. We want to share that page with somebody later. So we add that to the wish list. Okay, so now we want to keep going, but we want to clear our history list out. We just hit our handy dandy clear. So now we can start all over again, and down on our wish list we have our 2 products. So that's great. So we can keep on going, keep on scanning, keep on going, and then at the end of the day, when we're done, we have our history list. You don't have to clear it out, but it tends to get really long. You go to your wish list and you can go back and review what you've got. And you say, okay, the security divider video and OD promises. I would really like to know more about their promise. So at this point, what you can do, and this is the power of this system, is you can take this product and add it to an inquiry list. Now, what the inquiry list is going to allow you to do, which is down here on the navigation bar, this inquiry list is linked automatically to the company. A specific sales rep or whoever will get this email from you. And so what we want to do at this point is say, okay, I'm ready to talk more about this product that I saw at the show, and I want to talk to somebody soon. So what you would do, now that you're on your inquiry list, right here, what we're going to do is tick this box that says, I want to talk more about this, and we're going to contact sales. It automatically pre-populates an email. This email is going to then go to the proper person. It's going to tell you it's been sent, and at that point you have inquired about that product. Nice and easy. So basically that's really all there is to it. You can go through and clear out, like I said, the history list. You can even clear out the wish list when you're done. And start over. And that basically is the concept of the ODFL QR code reader. I hope you enjoy.